Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle, baby. And today we've got a nice one that came by way of Ferengi. She's part of Section 42. That's a group of us that administer the Ramen Junkies group. Indomie 50th anniversary. This is special fried curly noodle. This is good stuff, I'm telling you what. Let's do this. Let's make it happen. So, this one is the dehydrated vegetables. That goes in. Pepper will take it if you let her have it, so don't let her have it or she will take it. And be nice, of course. It is summertime, almost. Here we go. Don't want to hear any cranky. I don't want to have cranky children all summer long. So, during transport it got a little beat up, but it's fine, it's metering. There we go, and this will go for 2 minutes. Which I thought was kind of weird, but I guess that is the way. Ring! I don't know what that noise was. I just heard a thing in my Bluetooth. Some kind of weird alert. So yeah. Our dog is being a nut, and we're really trying to find a new home for her. She gets to be nutty around here because there's really nowhere for her to run and play and stuff. And she pulls and she's big and yeah. Too big. Too big. You're too big, Peppa. She's all like, I want to play now. What are you doing, Peppa? What are you doing? Here, give me that. Give me that. Yeah. She's like an enormous monstrosity in a small apartment. And my son just bought over a little thing, a piece of some kind of electronic thing that she chewed up. She's what they call an aggressive chewer. So if she can get it, and she wants to chew on it, she will. Like the cord for the air conditioner, or we have a couch that you push buttons and it raises and lowers. She chewed that. My side doesn't raise or lower now. So she's made no friends with me in that respect. I'm very unhappy about that, but we did have a warranty. We're waiting. But yeah. It's time for Pepper to go elsewhere. But, I mean, regardless, we love the dog. But still. Little drain. Yeah, another one of this range are these, what are these? Premium Selection? Premium Collection, excuse me. Yeah, another one of this range is the, what is it, grilled chicken. And it comes with a sipping soup to go alongside. And that's in this year's top 10 list. But people were like, that one? You like that one better than this one? Now they're yelling at the dog. There's some powder. And now, simmer down out there. If you ignore her, she won't bother you. now I am doing what I do. So see, it comes with a trio of sachets, and what I do is I clip them apart. I just always end up making a huge mess out of these things. Let's see. Did I get it open? I hope so. Yeah, I did. This one's not as messy. This is a seasoned oil. Mignac is oil. And so you should know there's a company that has their factory on Bukit Minyak. Bukit is a hill. And there's all these bukits all over Malaysia and stuff. This isn't from Malaysia, but Bukit Minyak is Oil Hill. Like, yeah, that's what it's called, but okay. Really want to go to Indonesia. That last one was sweet soy sauce, ketchup manis, and then there's the sauce. Sweet chili sauce, but it's spicy. Spicy is pedas, but this is not extra pedas, it's just standard pedas. Yeah, this mixture here brings back memories, let me tell you. I used to eat this all the time, and the other one. So freaking wonderful. Come on, Indomie. Bring it back. Back to the people. Do what you should. I don't know that there's even any chicken in it. I think they just decided that they didn't want to go through the hassle of dealing with export for the US. I really don't know. Alright. Now it is time to sample. Alright. Okay. It's got a little bit of vegetable with it that comes out really good. A little bit of crunch. I think there's carrot in there. I can't remember. There we are. This is like one of the absolute wonderful things of Indomie. Cheers. Nice vegetable, nice spicy hit. Nice. I love this stuff. And not one that I can find easily. Oh yeah, look at that. What's that? It's like a little piece of chicken. Or like chicken sausage or something. I really don't know. Maybe it does have chicken in it. Oh God, don't fall on the floor. That would be tragic. Oh God, yeah. Ooh. Why doing that wrong, my guy? What kind of crazy? You'll see. Now you will get to see how I do. I want to kind of put that right here. I'll put the fried egg here, and some chicken here, and then... What? Get out of the kitchen! Go lay down. Nut. Jeez. See? Look at that. It's a mountain. that. And then we got our I need. Oh, come on. Where is it? I need a spatula. There it is. What happened to our tunes? There we got some chicken. Children are giggling all about poop. That's like their thing. They like to talk about, what do they call it? My mom used to call it bathroom talk. They're young. What do you do? There's some chicken. I don't know. Maybe I can arrange that a little more happily. Alright. What are we going to throw on here? Well, some spring onion. And I've got some more of this kind of spicy chili sauce. This one's from ABC. It's good. I really like this stuff. I haven't opened it yet. It's from the weekends searching for items that were good for doing reviews. Miles is currently talking about butts. Miles, that's enough. That's enough. So now I'm gonna this thing has I could dump this out and go no. I'm gonna go like this. You see? I'm gonna dump a bunch of this stuff in here. Okay. Like, why I do that, Robert? You'll see. You'll see. So we got all this sauce. Obviously, we're not going to use this much. Miles, that's enough. Goodness gracious. And then I'm going to take a pair of scissors, see? Cut off the corner. Now I'm going to test it out in the sink. I did. So now that's good stuff. Okay, we're going to use a little bit of crushed red pepper. Like that. And to top it all off and finish the deal, is it? I'm going to use a little bit of crispy garlic. This is just fried, sliced garlic. Which, before I crunch it up, looks like this. And it's good. They're like garlic potato chips. And there we are. And that is done. So here is our Indonesian Wonderful deal. Yep. All right. Well, hey, thank you very much for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. The next one you're going to see is one from Malaysia. This is by Jasmine, and this is their double extra large Bihun Segera Penang white curry. It's a... Get out of here! Look. Look at that thing. Yes. But it's a white curry rice noodle, and it's a big serving of it, and that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, helps me out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
My noodles. I have to show you how to do it. And I can cut it